Welcome. In front of me is an STK LIFE 9, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notification panel, and from here select the Do Not Disturb mode. You can either tap on it to enable it with whatever the default settings of it are, or you can hold it and this will take you to the settings. Now as you can see, the touch display on this phone works really weirdly, so it opened up two different things at the same time. So anyway, there we go, that's what you should see. And in here you can go through these settings right here, customize them to your liking. As you can see, we have things like behaviors, so you can select what kind of sounds and vibration will be going through during this mode, what notifications will be going through. You can select who can call you or message you, and below that we have a duration, and also auto turn on automatically, meaning you can set up a schedule. Now by default we have two different ones. We have the sleeping one and the event, and if you tap on it again, it will show you basically what are the default settings for these. So as you can see, as an example, sleeping basically goes from entire week and starts at 10 p.m. and goes all the way till 7 a.m. Obviously you can tap right here to change it if you want to, and from there all you need to do is make sure, if you want to use a schedule, make sure that it is toggled on right here, and that's all you need to do. And for everybody else that wants to use it manually, all you need to do is find the toggle and simply tap on it to toggle it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. And that's as simple as it gets. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.